Okay, Asia session done. In Asia, I focus on gold, Nikkei, as well as the Asia Forex pairs. So first thing I do is I scan all the pairs, mark off my signal days. So there are quite a few, but nothing was valid and everything was invalid already. So I didn't look at Forex and I just focused on gold and the Nikkei. Gold for me, same setup as London yesterday, where it triggered a high of a range at previous day high on an inside day. I was waiting for price to get up a bit higher, so I did not take any sell on gold. H8 was bullish as well over here, so pretty much the same like yesterday's London, where I missed this trade. Decided not to take this one. Not sure if it'll continue, but this technically did set up, but I was waiting for it to be higher. So I just focus on the Nikkei. So first thing I was looking yesterday, the trade that I took yesterday, there was that breakout level over here, faked out. So this became a breakout reversal. I was trying to trade the counter trend breakout here, didn't go all the way. And I said that if this counter trend breakout fails, it turns into a breakout continuation. Yesterday, I expected price to get up to the fake out level, which it did, but it did not hit the peak. So after a breakout continuation, um, this setup, I expected to get right back to that peak. So today I was looking for that move to complete up to this peak. I was looking for a low fake out to go high, but instead price 7 a.m. Tokyo market open in Jakarta, it just stayed in a range and then broke out. So this is a breakout setup on the H8, but I prefer, I don't like to trade this one in Asia. In Asia, I prefer to be trading on the previous day high breakouts up here, or breaking out of the daily range. Basically, I don't really like to trade breakouts out of a smaller time frame. So did not take this move, but once it got up to the previous day high, I did see on the monthly chart that it had triggered the previous week high as well as a previous day high, and we're actually below the month breakout level right here. Um, right, so we're below this month breakout level. We had faked out this previous month low, and on a monthly move, I'm not going to reverse this monthly move unless I see a lower time frame fake out. So I was looking for a week, uh, triggering the week, and if this week gets faked out, then this turns into a monthly breakout continuation setup, and it also becomes a reversal on the month low, faking out that previous week high. So once price got up above the previous day high, I started looking for a sell. Um, since I'm going counter trend, I prefer waiting to see a higher time frame close. So once I saw this H1 fake out bar, I started to look for a position in, and I took it off this M15. Once I saw this M15 fake out bar, I did a very aggressive entry on this, and I'm trading this based off the monthly levels. So my setups, they work in every time frame. I scalp, day trade, and swing trade using these setups on every time frame. I can scalp on the 15 minutes. I can scalp on the 1 minute. I can trade 8 hour. Can trade monthly. Can trade 4 hour. They work in every single time frame. So took this one. If I have a weekly move and I'm trading a weekly move, I'm not going to counter trade a weekly move unless there's a lower time frame fake out. Again, lower time frames will reverse before the higher time frames, so I will not be touching this until it touches a lower time frame. In this case, I'm waiting until it gets to the daily levels. So the way that I trade, if price is breaking out of the week, I'm not going to try to reverse this unless a lower time frame gets reversed, gets faked out. In this case, there's an H8 high that gets faked out, so I can take it here. There's no 8 over here. There's a previous day high that gets faked out, so I can reverse it here. This one, once it triggers, I'd be interested to reverse. In this case, it didn't, kept continuing up. So basically, I'm looking at the lower time frame to see how it reacts and determine my bias based on which level price is at. So in this case, this is a swing trade. I don't often get these. These don't set up very often, but once I see them, I'll take them. For me, I feel like the holy grail of trading is to take really small stop loss positions, but trade them on a monthly chart. So over here, again, have the monthly breakout level right here. Monthly, here's the last monthly breakout level. So this becomes a peak formation, broke out below it, faked out the previous month low. I'm not going to reverse this unless I see a weekly fake out, and I got that weekly fake out here. I came in a bit early, but I did want my stops at the high of the day. I waited until that 1 hour close gave me confluence to take this as a fake out trade. And so I'm targeting first target, previous day low. That'll be when I'll take my partials. And then after that, I'll be swinging this trade if it gets below. You know what? Actually, I just noticed this previous month low right here. I'm going to put an alert here, and I'll be looking to see how price reacts over here first before I look at previous day low. So that's it. That's the trade I'm going to take. Uh, Again, this is my setups work on every time frame. This is a swing trade, a swing setup. These often will go break even, or often will take losses on them, but when they go, they really pick up quite a bit. So that's it. And now I'll be trading London. Didn't see any other pairs. I was looking at Aussie NZD, CAD J, but did not do what I was looking for. And that's all.